I love getting mail. What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. We've got mail. All the way from down under, home of the kangaroos, Australia has brought us another quality product. This is going to be the HARTLEY Legacy Unboxed. I believe they also sent me some accessories too, like a strap and a fountain pen, I believe. Great for any business person. Let's crack this box open and see what we're dealing with. I know it's a Legacy, coming in 4 different colorways, I believe it is. This one, wait for it, I'm not gonna tell you yet, it's a teaser. Wouldn't be a teaser if I gave everything to you straight off the cuff, that's not gonna work. HARTLEY Legacy. Here we go, from the office to the studio. This is as she comes. You wanna order it up at HARTLEYWatches.com, get your Legacy, and you're gonna get it shipped out and it's gonna look like this. A signed, nice cardboard box. We've got your warranty information, your Legacy owner's handbook. Oh, a nice little mat with an outer cloth signed as well. And there she is. The HARTLEY piano finish black box. Yeah, it's secure, so you will have to push the button to release. Oh boy. I'm gonna hold on to it for a bit, get a feel for it, do a full review, don't you worry. Keep your eyes on the channel. This is not a paid review or endorsement. These products are on loan, and thank you very much to HARTLEY Watches for sending them over the pond. My opinions are my own, but let's get into it. From the office to the studio, we'll have a good look at it. The HARTLEY Legacy design, automatic. This is how it comes. Go online and check it out at HARTLEYWatches.com. All right, we're going to get the plastic off. We're going to get the white gloves on. We're going to get a bird's eye view. It certainly comes protected. Got to protect that 316L rose gold steel with a nice looking bracelet, brushed and polished, 3-link system, signed crown, and of course that skeleton design, front to back. Let's have some fun with the HARTLEY Legacy rose gold. Yes, the full review is coming. And I will also take a look at some of the accessories in the full review video. Don't worry, be patient. I'm working on it as we speak. HARTLEY also makes a genuine Italian leather strap for these beauties as well, with the accented rose gold pin buckle system and quick release. Can't beat that stuff. It's all about efficiency. Not to mention they also sent another accessory, a HARTLEY fountain pen. I haven't seen one of these things in like 30 years. Rose gold colorway, pretty sweet, pretty snazzy. What business person couldn't use a fountain pen? I know I can't now, we're all digital, so more info coming. Like, subscribe, smash the bell, do all those fancy things. We'll see you on the next one.